Monterey Bay is home of over 740 different species of marine life and is one of the largest marine sanctuaries in the nation. From over 80,000 plants and animals to being the first and only aquarium to ever successfully keep a great white shark, it is safe to say that Monterey Bay Aquarium is teeming with life and marine diversity. While some might see the aquarium as just a fun tourist destination or a place to see plants and animals, behind the scenes, the aquarium is working hard to restore and maintain the health of California ecosystems. According to Monterey Bay's 2022 report, that year they made over 3,600 programs focused on ocean conservation and spent over $95.9 million. Almost half this amount went towards animal care and aquarium expenses, with $9.4 million going to conservation and science programs and $4.1 million going towards educational programs. They champion laws and policies from plastic pollution to the emerging threat of seabed mining. In 2022, California created a first-in-the-nation bill that reduces plastic pollution and holds companies accountable for the waste they produce. The aquarium played a large role in getting this law enacted, including a mandate to reduce single-use packaging by 25%. Along with all they're doing for marine life in the present, the aquarium is working with the marine biologists of the future and is dedicated to getting young people interested in this field. With more than 2.5 million students visiting the aquarium for free due to their youth development programs, providing field trips and other opportunities for students. When field trips aren't available, they offer online discovery labs. They also provide many internships and opportunities to help today's young people explore and research these complex environmental issues, such as plastic pollution, climate change, and threats to ocean biodiversity. The importance of getting young people interested in marine conservation is becoming more and more clear. Monterey Bay Aquarium's multifaceted approach not only ensures the health of our marine ecosystems, but cultivates a generation who will continue to advocate for the protection of our oceans.
Our mission at the Monterey Bay Aquarium is to inspire conservation of the ocean, to expose people to this amazing world, to hopefully fall in love with it, want to, do something to ensure that it thrives and survives in the future to sustain all of life. So that's our mission, and that's the hardest thing that we do at the aquarium. Actually, the hardest thing is not keeping the animals or doing R&D about new species. It's really figuring out the human element, to get people motivated to care and take action.
I think for all conservation, it's going to be that all of us need to work together. It's going to take an divine one, which means everyone needs to understand, be interested, and make smart choices when it comes to protecting our waterways. With marine biology in particular, there is so many impacts that we could change quickly with laws, like just even where we take crabs from, right? Understanding how biology works and that maybe taking from their breeding grounds is not a good idea. Implementing those policies, that on its own would be a huge step in the right direction.
With our youth being like the future of the world, you could say, it's really essential to know like the issues surrounding our world and like the environment especially, because we only have one world, so we have to take care of it, and marine life is an essential part of our ecosystem, so we have to be well educated in that area of our life, because without like marine life, without like the animals in our land or plants, like we have no environment to live in, we don't have any food sources. So we just gotta be careful and like spread awareness about how like our marine life is degrading over time, especially with like global warming, and like just be conscious of that.